Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome back to Unlock English. In this episode, we will practice 50 practical English words. Words people really use in daily conversations. Just listen, or speak along if you want. To help your ears get used to different voices, my colleague Emma will join me today. Hi, Emma.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to be here.
Okay, let's begin. 1. Actually. Actually. Actually means in reality, or to correct an idea. I actually like it. I actually like it.
2. Realize. Realize. Realize means to suddenly understand something. I just realized that. I just realized that.
3. Expect. Expect. Expect means to think something will happen. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this.
4. Handle. Handle. Handle means to deal with a situation. I can handle it. I can handle it.
5. Decide. Decide. Decide means to make a choice. I decided to stay. I decided to stay.
6. Notice. Notice. Notice means to see or feel something without trying. I noticed the change. I noticed the change.
7. Guess. Guess. Guess means to give an answer without being sure. I guess you're right. I guess you're right.
8. Suppose. Suppose. Suppose means to think something is true, but not be sure. I suppose so. I suppose so.
9. Prefer. Prefer. Prefer means to like one thing more than another. I prefer coffee. I prefer coffee.
10. Manage. Manage. Manage means to succeed in doing something. I managed to finish. I managed to finish.
11. Explain. Explain. Explain means to make something clear. Can you explain this? Can you explain this?
12. Remind. Remind. Remind means to help someone remember. Please remind me later. Please remind me later.
13. Suggest. Suggest. Suggest means to give an idea or plan. I suggest waiting. I suggest waiting.
14. Agree. Agree. Agree means to have the same opinion. I agree with you. I agree with you.
15. Refuse. Refuse. Refuse means to say no to something. She refused the offer. She refused the offer.
16. Depend. Depend. Depend means to be decided by something else. It depends. It depends.
17. Matter. Matter. Matter means to be important. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
18. Affect. Affect. Affect means to influence something. This affects me. This affects me.
19. Improve. Improve. Improve means to make something better. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English.
20. Change. Change. Change means to become different. Things change. Things change.
21. Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable means feeling relaxed. I feel comfortable here. I feel comfortable here.
22. Awkward. Awkward. Awkward means feeling uncomfortable. That was awkward. That was awkward.
23. Confident. Confident. Confident means believing in yourself. I feel confident today. I feel confident today.
24. Relaxed. Relaxed. Relaxed means not tense. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now.
25. Stressed. Stressed. Stressed means feeling pressure. I feel stressed at work. I feel stressed at work.
26. Familiar. Familiar. Familiar means known or recognized. This place feels familiar. This place feels familiar.
27. Normal. Normal. Normal means usual or expected. This is normal. This is normal.
28. Strange. Strange. Strange means unusual. That sounds strange. That sounds strange.
29. Possible. Possible. Possible means able to happen. It's possible. It's possible.
30. Important. Important. Important means having value. This is important. This is important.
31. Available. Available. Available means free to use or meet. I'm available later. I'm available later.
32. Busy. Busy. Busy means having many things to do. I'm busy today. I'm busy today.
33. Crowded. Crowded. Crowded means full of people. It's crowded here. It's crowded here.
34. Quiet. Quiet. Quiet means not loud. It's quiet now. It's quiet now.
35. Ready. Ready. Ready means prepared. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
36. Usually. Usually. Usually means most of the time. I usually wake up early. I usually wake up early.
37. Already. Already. Already means before now. I already ate. I already ate.
38. Finally. Finally. Finally means after a long time. We finally arrived. We finally arrived.
39. Instead. Instead. Instead means in place of something else. I stayed home instead. I stayed home instead.
40. Suddenly. Suddenly. Suddenly means quickly and unexpectedly. It suddenly stopped. It suddenly stopped.
41. Continue. Continue. Continue means to keep going. Let's continue. Let's continue.
42. Return. Return. Return means to go back. I returned home. I returned home.
43. Avoid. Avoid. Avoid means to stay away from. I avoid stress. I avoid stress.
44. Experience. Experience. Experience means something that happens to you. That was a good experience. That was a good experience.
45. Situation. Situation. Situation means what is happening now. It's a difficult situation. It's a difficult situation.
46. Problem. Problem. Problem means something that needs fixing. We have a problem. We have a problem.
47. Reason. Reason. Reason means the cause of something. That's the reason. That's the reason.
48. Decision. Decision. Decision means a choice you make. I made a decision. I made a decision.
49. Support. Support. Support means to help someone. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support.
50. Trust. Trust. Trust means to believe in someone. I trust you. I trust you.
All right, these were the words for this episode. In the next video, we will practice 50 more useful English words. Until then, keep practicing. These were all 50 words we practiced in this episode. This is the full list. If you feel you need more practice, you can save this video or take a screenshot of this list and come back to it later. There is no rush. Learning takes time. If you want, listen again. Try shadowing this time, or just listen and let the English settle. I'll see you in the next episode, right here on Unlock English.